Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the texture of an image in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery. From the gallery we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we select the picture, and after it loads, from the bottom bar we have to scroll to the right. We find effects. We tap on this button, and here at the top of the list there is a texture and a little slider. If you move it to the right, then the number of pixels is going to increase in the image, as you can see here. It's getting more texture, and if we decrease it, then the edges are going to be rounded and the picture is going to become smoother. So to the right, the picture becomes rougher. To the left, the picture becomes smoother. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.